How's it going, folks? It's me again, your boy Tabo, and I'm back again, with another vlog. And so, since the last time I posted was when I was finishing the Threejs course, the beginner course that I created. So ever since then I have embarked on another journey. So the project that I'm working on currently is creating a 3D site with a 3D web app. It's more of a gamified environment. The main theme of it is a sacred geometry. So the main point of the game is to make a gamified application which kind of creates or puts you in this world of sacred geometry, and you can interact with some of the elements and you can learn a bit about what some of it means, the symbolism, basically just the gist of what sacred geometry is all about. This is a topic that I chose because I find it quite fascinating. And in terms of the visuals, I thought potentially it has a lot of potential in terms of how interesting I could make it look, the different colors, shapes, and all of that. And after all, this is sacred geometry, right? So, in terms of design options, I think I have quite a lot to play around with. So that's the whole idea. So with these, I'm going to create a series of vlogs where I document all of this, my entire process from the beginning to the end, and this should be an interesting um thing to witness, how it all began, because in the beginning things are always very um, rough and boring. Sometimes it's hard to really kind of put the whole picture together and imagine what the end product is going to look like. So that's what I'm doing right now, and so I'm just going to take you through the beginnings and what I've done so far, and then I will take it from here on. Okay, so yeah, just stay tuned in. Okay, so what you're looking at now is the 3D environment that I will be working with. So this was modeled in Maya. This is actually an environment that I created a while ago, but it actually suits the project because I did have something similar in mind. So I thought, oh wow, I already have an environment, so why model it all over again? So pretty much this is where I start. Now that it's established that I have a 3D environment, the next challenges that I face is how to import that into Three.js. And once that is done, then I have to find out how do I make the object in my scene interact. And since Three.js does not have a physics engine, this means that I have to use another library, which is called MOJS. Now, this works well with Three.js. If you go to the threejs.org site, you will see there are some examples of how to implement MOJS in your project using Three.js. So these are the challenges that I face. So first of all, I will import it using gltf. That's a loader possibility that I can use in Three.js. Once that is done, then I have to figure out how to implement the physics in Three.js. Since I have not used MOJS before, this will be another challenge for me. So I have to learn the ropes of using the physics engine just to get the basics going. And once I'm familiar with it, then think of how I can implement that in my project. So that would be the next step from now. Okay, then that'll be it for now. In the next episode, I will show you how I import the GLTF scene into my project, and then I will create a basic first person perspective camera and walk through the entire scene. And then the next step will be learning the ropes of MOJS, going through the basic concepts up until I can fully implement it in my own project. Till next time, love and peace, my brothers and sisters. I'm out.